As Carolyn stated, I am Mike Whittiker of City of Carson. And I just want to definitely say that this program has been extremely beneficial to the City of Carson and to the residents of the actual was able to come on and support the Agents of Discovery and Mary Clark, who has done such a tremendous job over the past years in assisting the residents here in the City of Carson.
Adaptable for any city, big or small. It's according to how you utilize it at your best ability. Because it's an augmented program, it's very hands-on. Um, you have very good technical support when it comes to this program. I mean, this platform. You have very good technical support that will assist you in building it, implementing it, and as time goes on, it evolves. So, that the augmented reality with this platform, it allows the kids to interact with one another without being right next to each other, just being in the area. And once the bee sounds start buzzing, even if you were playing the app, you can hear it in the whole park with so many kids playing at the same time.
It was just so fun, and I hope to do this again.